Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the H1 Zoom recorder and confirming a full battery or external power. This avoids interruptions. Once done, insert and format a Class 10 micro SD card in the unit because proper formatting prevents file errors. Next, set your sample rate and file format, choose 44. 1 kHz for audio only or 48 kHz when syncing with video, so recordings match your workflow. Make sure to check the display for available time left, and then move to input selection. You now choose the input source using the input switch. Internal XY mics for stereo, external mic for higher quality, or line for mixers. Once selected, switch from auto gain to manual and adjust the level while monitoring the meters. Aim for peaks around -12 to -6 dB so you have headroom and avoid clipping. If you expect wind or rumble, enable the low cut filter. If sudden spikes are likely, enable the limiter. After levels are set, prepare to record and name your file. You press REC once to arm the H1 and press again to start recording. Use PRE/REC for a second or two of look back if timing is critical. While recording, monitor through headphones and watch the meters. If you see clipping, quickly reduce gain or move the mic. When done, stop the file, wait for the right confirmation, and then play back a short section to verify. If problems persist, reboot the unit and reformat the card on a known good device. This fixes most file system issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.